Hello everyone. Today in the ninth chapter HCF and LCM, we will study factors and common factors and highest common factor, that is HCF.
Today we will start ninth chapter HCF and LCM. So now before understanding HCF and LCM, you know that when you divide a number by another number. So here we are dividing 36 by 4. So 36 is dividend and 4 is divisor. That means division. You already have learned this. So 4 9s is 36. So you got the remainder 0 0. So you can say that 4 is divisor of 36 when you get the remainder 0. So this 4 is divisor of 36. That means we say 4 is a factor of 36 and 36 is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 means 4 9s is 36. So 36 is multiple of 4. So here you have to remember this factor and multiple. Who is factor of whom and who is multiple of whom. So you can see here 4 is a factor of 36 and 36 is a multiple of 4. So one more example we will take here. 65 is divided by 9. So 9 7s is 63 and you got here remainder as a 2. That means this 9 cannot completely divide 65. So you say that 9 is not divisor of 65. That means 9 is not factor of 65, and since you can say 65 is not a multiple of 9. So you can see this 9, it is not able to divide 65 completely, means you didn't get remainder 0. That's why you say that 9 is not a factor of 65, and 65 is also not a multiple of 9, means in the table of 9 there is no 65. So you can say 65 is not a multiple of 9 and 9 is not a factor of 65. So you have to have a factor of a particular number. That number should be completely divided. Then you can say a given particular number is a factor of some number, and that some number is a multiple of the given number. Factor of 36 means the number which can divide 36. So you can divide 36 by 1, you can divide it by 2, you can divide it by 3, you can divide it by 4, you can divide it by 6, by 9, by 12, by 18 and by 36. Means this 36 is present in the table of all these numbers, or you can divide 36 by all these given numbers. So these all given numbers are the factor of 36. One more example we will take 48. So this 48, which numbers can divide 48? 1 is a common divisor for all given numbers. So 48, then 2, then 3, then 4, 6, 8, 12, then 16 and 24 and 48. So these numbers are the factor of 48. Why? Because these numbers can divide 48 completely. You have to make the list of common factors of 36 and 48. So the common factors means which are the common numbers which can divide both the 36 and 48. So there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12 and no other number. So the common factors of 36 and 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the common factors of 36 and 48. Now we will study highest common factor. In short, it is called as a HCF. So now, just now you have learned how we have the common factors. So here we will find the factor of 12 and 18. So the numbers which can divide 12. So there is of course 1, 2, then 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. Then for 18, factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9 and 18. Now you have to find common factor of 12 and 18. So the common factors of 12 and 18, so there is a 1, then 2, so 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the common factor of 12 and 8. Now which is the highest common factor among these? Definitely it is 6. Therefore we can say HCF of 12 and 18. HCF means highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. In this way you can find out the highest common factor of any given 2 or 3 numbers. So there is a question, find the HCF of 20 and 50. So what we will do, first we will find the factor of 20 and 50. So factor of 20, that means the numbers which can divide 20, there is 1 which can divide 2, then 4, 5, 10 and 20. The numbers which can divide 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50 itself. Now you have to find highest common factor, that is HCF of 20 and 50. So you will see here in the list of these factors of 20 and 50, which are the common one. One is common between 20 and 50, so 2 is the common factor here, 5 is the common factor and 10 is the common factor. Among this list of the common factors, you have to take highest common factor, that is 10 here. So your answer will be 10. So the highest common factor of 20 and 50 is 10. So in this way you can find the HCF of given two numbers.